So, in a nutshell, here are the 3 stages of menopause. And for the purpose of this presentation, I am not paying any attention to the phases at all. It's good to know about them. So you can get symptoms, menopausal symptoms, in any of these phases. The first stage is peri or premenopause. This is when the ovaries start to wind down and produce less estrogen. Stage 2 is menopause proper, when now the ovaries, they've run out of eggs, estrogen levels plummet, they drop, and periods stop. And then postmenopause. And this is stage 3 with women who have previously menstruated, who have gone a full 12 months without a period. That's the definition. Most women in North America experience a natural menopause between 40 and 58, with the average age 51. Some women have an early menopause in their 30s. I'm not addressing that today. Others in their 60s, where it's perfectly natural, no problem, like myself. And each of these stages can be easy, not so easy, or blooming hard. And each one of these stages can take months or years. So it's kind of a pain, but it's something just to sort of make your peace with, basically.